Igor said, we want to have this event at our showroom. It is for designers and builders and people in the trade, and we at BSH, we're the manufacturer of Bosch, Thermador and Gaggenau. We so appreciate all that you do.
When we talk about Sauvignon Blanc, we're talking about a wine with two flavor contributors, fermented juice and yeast. We're going to take another sip of this wine, but this time we're going to change something. We're going to eliminate one of our senses. I want you to bring these glasses together side by side so that the bottoms of the bowls are at the same height. The Riedels have always been glassmakers. They've always been innovators. They've always been at the very top of their game when it comes to how they manufacture, how they distribute, how they sell literally around the world. Always hold the glass by the widest part of the bowl, and your pressure point should be on the widest part of the bowl. So step one, we're catching the outside of the glass just like this. Step two, we flip the glass over, we catch the stem just like this. Step three, we catch the base. Thank you tonight for coming and listening about some Riedel glassware. I want to say thank you to Universal Appliance and Igor and Eric and the gang.